And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 case in black. So let's get this plastic off. And inside of here we have nothing else in the box. We have our case. We have a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand to hold your phone up while like you're at your desk or something. And a little Casekoo pamphlet here. Some Casekoo stickers. And of course, a black frosted back Samsung Galaxy S24 case. So you can see here you have the darker black around the edges of the case as well as around the camera module. You have the cutout for your camera module, cutout for your USB-C port and your speaker grill, your power and volume rockers, and a nice frosted back on the back of this in a black color where you can see through the case but not completely through it. This would be a nice soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 case in green. Inside of this box, case, nothing else in there. We have our case. We have a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand to like hold your phone while you're at your desk. Then we have a little Casekoo pamphlet, some Casekoo stickers, and of course a green Samsung Galaxy S24 case. So you can see the back is a frosted green back with a darker green around the camera cutout that continues around the border of the phone case. Your power button and volume rockers, your speaker and USB-C port, and your camera cutout, all in a nice soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 case in purple. Inside of this box is nothing else in there. We have our case. We have a Casekoo branded portable phone stand to hold your phone, and a little Casekoo pamphlet, some Casekoo stickers, and of course a beautiful, in my opinion, Samsung Galaxy S24 purple case. You can see the back is a purple frosted back, so you can see through it but not completely, and then there's a darker purple around the camera module as well as around the edges of the case. You have your camera module cutout, power and volume buttons, your USB-C port and speaker cutout, all for a very nice soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks again to Casekoo who was nice enough to send these to us to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.